Well, we're gonna make our hot sauce now. We'll take what we fermented, we're gonna blend it up, and just hang along for the ride. This is the first hot sauce I made. I just fermented this for 1 week, 7 days. We're gonna see how that works out. Next one may go a little longer, it may go a little less, who knows. 2 to 3 days fermentation starts. Probably starts quicker than that, of course. And the temperature plays an important role in fermentation. Hey, let's get this blended up and see what it looks like. And we'll get this glass weighed out of here. We poured out part of the brine. We don't want it all in there. So we're going to put it into this magic bullet to blend up our sauce really good. I don't think this would make a good smoothie. And we'll get our lid on there, and we'll get this blended up into a sauce here. And we'll get it over here more in view of the camera. This little blender, flat, makes it into a liquid. Now it's not a solid liquid. You can strain it from here, but I didn't. Well, I'll pull the lid off, see what it looks like, smell of it. Yep, smells good. I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit of vinegar to it. Get a spoon, do a taste there. Hey, that tastes pretty good, but I'm gonna add a little vinegar for taste, and also it'll help in preserving it. And that should do it. And we'll put it back on the little blender. Mix that up in there really well. And I have a bottle I can put it in. And that should do the trick. That should be well blended and everything should be incorporated really good. So we look at it and we see the color, so we know what it turns out like with the color of the peppers I use, the colorful ones and then the green jalapenos. Hey, let's get it into this bottle. Now the next time I'm gonna find some ripe red peppers, jalapeno that's turned red, serranos, other chilies that work for a good hot sauce. Now, I have to admit, this hot sauce wasn't hot at all. It had a good taste. You could taste the peppers, but it was not hot at all. This would be on the scale of a very, very mild hot sauce. I could have used a few more jalapenos and a little less of the sweet, probably, a little more membrane and all. Hey, but it works. Tastes great. Tastes good on food. Hey, and there we have it. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.